Okay, so this is another morning and I'm looking at all these rims and they're so corroded, so I want to fix it. I think I'm going to sand them up like this. I've done one already, and yeah, you can see I've sanded it up, taken off. I've just washed it so it's got slight rust on it already. I'll just clean that off again. But these are rims that I'm going to paint again. This is what it looks like after I've given it the primer.
Welcome to Jaunti Van Life, travelling through South Africa. Full-time van lifers, Cindy and Graham.
Stop.
Living the youth of our old age, enjoying every moment.
Some of us have got to climb up there. So I've sanded all of this and it looks nice and smooth again without any rust. So that'll be nice when I put the black on, it'll look lovely. Just busy sanding here by hand. Quite a job. Let's see how we get eventually. So this is now the top coat. I forgot about putting the primer on to show you, but I mask it off like this against the wheel, like that, and then I spray it there. I don't know if you can see. Okay, well that's what I'm doing now. I'm putting the top coat on so that it looks black. The Satin Black, and that's just so I don't paint the rim, I mean the tyre.
Yeah. So Graham had to first of all take all the rust off.
Yes,
there was so much rust.
I did show that.
Ah, okay. And now this is the finishing. Looks very nice.
Yeah. Okay, this one I missed with the patching here, but I'll just take some chips and take that off.
Yeah.
But I think that looks much better.
Wow.
Much better than the rusty wheel.
Yeah,
eh?
absolutely.
Yeah.
Well done, Graham.
Cool, thanks. I think I was once known as a rim buffer.
Early bra. This is early bra. Early bra. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye bye. Keep well. We'll see you again.
Love you guys.
Yeah.
So here we are at the beach. Cindy's just sitting under the umbrella. Okay. Just getting her cozy sorted out. She's going to go to the sea. Okay. Nice. And bingo. I'm in the sea.
Morning, Graham. What are we going to do today, Graham?
Wake up. We need
Wake
coffee.
up.
We need to wake up.
Okay.
No, we actually, what are we looking for again?
Hello. Good morning.
How are you guys? Are you doing?
I'm videoing for YouTube.
Oopsie. Oh yeah, that's cool, eh?
What's your name?
My name is Peugeot. It's Peugeot. S-P-H-I-W-E.
Oh wow. And you look so cool.
That's me. That's my life.
Yes.
The coolest guy ever.
Tell me what you do.
I'm the barista. I'm doing the coffee.
Oh,
The
wow.
science of coffee. Yes.
Science of coffee. Wow.
piece.
And it's in the village.
The lifestyle, yeah,
village,
the,
Bonito.
yeah, the market.
Yeah. So you're going to be on YouTube, eh?
I'm happy. So let's sit down and talk business.
Yes, what do you want to talk about?
I'm talking about coffees. Let's do coffees.
Coffee.
Yeah, start off the day refreshing.
Yeah. Okay.
We do some flat whites and kind of
Okay.
nice coffees.
I think we're just going to have 2 coffees, eh?
Yeah.
We can do it,
Yeah.
but with a lot of love in it.
Oh,
There we go.
absolutely. That's how we like
There we
it.
go.
That's what we do
What have you
best.
got us to eat with that? Because you know, those
Just
old
relax,
people-
take your
us
time and then I can
people
organize
One
it.
and a half.
Just relax. Come around and then I will
Yeah.
show you more stuff.
Okay. Let's do the barista. This is the barista. What's that?
We also have some nice pies as well.
Yeah.
We got this lamb pies,
Oh, wow. Okay.
lamb and potato, which has got chicken and mushroom pies.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Oh, wow.
So we're still missing the bee stings they are bringing in.
Ah, okay. They are coming
So
in.
those, yeah, we also have those nice balls,
Yes.
the cinnamon donuts.
Yeah.
But let's do coffee, so on.
Yeah. Barista is working.
I think I've got those 2 sizes cups,
Yeah.
which is
I think that size.
I got the small
Yeah.
size
I think
and
this
there's medium size.
Medium.
So
Medium.
We
Medium.
got some 2 cappuccinos, eh?
Yeah.
Yebo.
Let's go for it.
Yeah.
I didn't say go-go, but yebo.
Yebo, not go-go, but young lady.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm Boogawain, eh?
Yes, you.
Ah, Kulangeli.
I didn't get that. What did you just say? Kugeli? What did you just say?
Kulangeli.
Kulangeli.
Shop, shop.
Kulungile means everything is sharp.
Shop, shop.
Shop, shop.
I know my Zulu.
You know Zulu. Where you
Beach,
from?
beach.
Where you from?
Eastern.
Eastern Cape.
No.
Joburg.
Gauteng. Yeah. Gauteng.
I'm here in KZN.
Okay.
You know what Tuguza?
Yeah.
Staying
Tuguza.
here.
Oh, okay.
That's where I live. Yeah.
I love your hat.
The coolest hat ever. Yeah.
It's nice leather, hey?
I'm telling you.
Beautiful.
I also have my manager. Oh, she just brought it in.
Oh, wow.
The bee sting. Come around.
Oh, the
Have a
bee.
look
Okay.
at it.
You're gonna look at the bee sting. Oh wow! Oh,
Look
this
at those
looks
things.
divine.
And
The bee stings we call it.
Stung, yeah.
It has custard cream in it.
Oh,
Top.
beautiful. Should we
Top.
have one of those?
Yeah, I think we should.
Go to sit down and enjoy it. Let's
Okay.
make 2 cappuccinos.
Enjoy, Graham.
Enjoy, Cindy, my love. We're gonna go hobbies again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go hobbies with my love of my life, my
But you know
better
what?
half.
Okay, let me organize some nice sauces and plates.
Oh wow. Okay, perfect.
Thank you, Pa.
So this is our view from here. You can see the whole centre. Gorgeous. Beautiful. So these are old coffee roasting. Coffee roasting with the barista. Oh, roast your own. Roast your own. Guatemala. Yeah. So you can actually do your own little coffee thing here. How's this? So you can book a barista little coffee scene. So we're gonna sit. No. So we're gonna have nice coffee here. We're being served by the
Beautiful Nana.
yeah. Okay. I just felt like we must come to Lifestyle today, the Lifestyle Centre, and I love our little introduction. I mean, it's such a cool shop. This is the shop.
We're gonna sit here. Stand here.
Yes, I feel like it. Do you want to go sit somewhere else? You can actually make your own coffee here. Look, barista, you make an appointment and you have to brew. Tell me about it.
Have you heard in science of a periodic table? That is a table of all the elements on Earth, like iron and steel and brass and copper, and like steel is Fe,
Yeah.
and oxygen is O, and hydrogen is H.
Okay.
So now this place has one of its own up there,
Yeah.
and it's saying H2O is water.
Yeah.
You can have all the different. It looks like a periodic table, but it's a liquid one.
Oh wow, that's amazing. welcome to Lifestyle. And we got such a lovely reception this morning.
Well,
The
what do you mean?
barista.
Spirit.
Yeah. We just come and share cake, a piece each. So
That's cool.
I want to really do things that I can sell. You know, like we should put Jaunti on a cup. We're going to still do it. You know, we have all
Call
these
that
big dreams.
merchandise.
Yeah.
Merch. We're going to do a merch thing.
Yeah. We have to ask YouTube.
Yeah, we're busy with that, and
Yes.
we're at a point where we're almost qualifying. We just need some more subscribers in that, and we'll get there. But we'll be able to do it soon.
Yeah, it'd be great. My daughter's very proud of us. Organically getting 629 people. Organically. That's not even with advertising. I mean, we do put it on Facebook and all over in groups. But organically, she's very proud of us. A lot of people battle and they just give up. And we've just kept plodding, eh?
We've almost given up millions of times, but you know what? We're bigger than that.
So this looks good, and I loved his vibe. Bringing us into the shop. It was gorgeous.
Good day, everybody.
Hello.
End of the video.
Yeah, we got to the end of this week's video, and I hope everybody finds it interesting and enjoys it. Give it a like, a share, and comment, and subscribe. And people enjoy. We'll spot you on Sunday at 5 o'clock again. Enjoy.
Keep
from
well.
Cindy and Graham.
And God bless you.
Bye.
And have a lovely week. Bye.